So now I have put the right value, which is the running and the instance state name. And similar to what we have done in the second approach, uh, let me iterate, let me create the object for this. And I'm going to use the collection. Okay, nothing new here. Filter. And then the filter is equal to this EC2 filter, right? So here we are trying to get the list of the instances which are in running state, right? Now just iterate over this instance in instances and instance dot stop. And just for our purpose, we can write some print statement. The following instance is now in stopped state. Okay, and we can give the name of the, we can get the name of the instance using the instance ID. Okay, so let's try to execute the script, and before that I will show you I have two instances which is up and running in Oregon region, and if I go to this North California region, I have one more instances. So the idea behind this script is to stop instances in different region. So let me re-execute this script. It will go over all the regions, and in the end it should need to stop three instances for us. Okay, so I've done one mistake in that code, is that this portion need to become outside the loop, right? So, and that's why the loop is going into an infinite state. So let me come out of this loop. Okay, so sorry about that, and now let's try to execute the script. So it is again iterating over the regions, and this time it should not go into that infinite loop. Okay, so as you can see in US West, so it stopped the instance here in US West 1 instance, and two instances in US West 2. So let's go back to our dashboard and see that in Northern California, which is US West 1 instance stopped, or at least it is stopping that instance, and it already stopped one instance in US West 2, and it is stopping the instance in the other instance in US West 2. Okay, so once again we have followed the three approach. The first approach is we have barely write the minimum code to stop the instance. In the second approach, we followed the filter in which we try to filter out the instance based on its running state. And in third approach, we followed the approach where we iterate over the regions where our instances are present. So once again, the main idea behind it is not to just writing the code, is to follow the approach. Like if we have got such kind of a problem, how we are going to approach to it. So hopefully this is useful for you. And once again, thanks for watching this video. Bye.